I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Ukrainian potato salad. Now, Ukrainian potato salad uses lots of chopped fresh vegetables in addition to the potatoes. So it's a great balance. There's, just some light, hearty flavors and some great colors in addition to the dense potatoes. So I'm using red potatoes, which are a great potato to use in potato salad. I chopped them and then boiled them for between 5 and 10 minutes, just until they're soft. This is a red potato. This is a russet potato, which is a good baking potato, but not a good potato to use in a potato salad. Here's some chopped carrot. Diced red bell pepper. Have some chopped chives. Diced red onion, finely chopped parsley, and I'm going to dress this with some mayonnaise. A little bit of red wine vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, some fresh dill, which is a great ingredient to use in any potato salad. It really elevates it. And a little bit of salt. And there you have a Ukrainian potato salad.